We got some stuff, I got some stuff out to prep us for oil changes in the future. Okay, so I got Mobil 1 Extended Performance SAE 0W20 oil to put in. I've heard just pick a reputable company and just kind of stick with it through the life of the car. So we're gonna go with Mobil 1 for our car, mostly because you can get Mobil 1 oil at Costco.
That's a real race car oil.
Real nice car.
Yeah, that's a real nice car.
If you look this up, it says that the car holds 5.3 liters of, or quarts, is it quarts?
Quarts.
5.3 quarts of oil. But I've heard on the forums that sometimes they use close to almost a full 6 after you let it run. I went ahead and went to the dealer and got the actual, this is the part number, if you want to get it for yourself. Stock oil filter. I got mine from Subaru. Mixed reviews of some other things. I know there's on some other filters. I know there's some filters that probably work just the same, but I just want to get the factory, and then we got ourselves a new crush washer in there. Yeah, this is not a whole lot of space, you guys. The GR86 is, actually, I don't know if the GR86 is that much lower or if it's just what it's like working without a lift.
Yeah, it could be.
Because I'm feeling pretty close. No concerns. I'm not worried at all that we're up and up.
Don't need the lift, which is very key. Do you have plastic cups somewhere? Like solo cups? Or anything?
Just in the, above the Keurig, there is like plastic cups.
I'll find something.
So right now what I'm doing is just taking off the bolts to the, there's a metal tray under here. There's like a little door you could take off. I'm pretty sure that's for the oil change, but since we're gonna be doing the headers, we're just gonna take the whole thing off. So it's a 12 millimeter bolt, or 12 millimeter bolts. I think a 10 millimeter bolt, and then some pop clips.
Protection on, dude. At least your battery is a safe distance away from your ECU. Yeah, it's weird. It's almost like you would never be able to contact metal to metal and blow your car up. Not that we did that or anything.
No.
Definitely did not
We definitely didn't do that.
As you grow up.
Those are the headers for sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
What's up, dude? I'm gonna take you guys, we got the skid plate off, and I'll show you what we got going on here. So, like I said, we took the entire skid plate off. There is a plate that you, if you're just doing an oil change, that you can just take off and access this. But this is our oil, oil pan, drain plug, and then these are the headers we're gonna be taking off. All right, so I'm gonna take, fucking crank this thing on, huh? Take this off. If you guys are wondering why we're doing an oil change so early, it's because after you break the car in, you really should do an oil change because there's just like little metal shavings and stuff that comes up or just like kind of breaks out as you're breaking the engine in, and we just want to get all that out pretty early. And then after that, we'll do schedule routine maintenances.
Look at that angle.
Break this loose. Wait. No, I'm tightening that.
So guys, we still haven't figured out in the last two videos righty tighty lefty loosey, as you can see.
We would have learned by now?
It's always a learning process.
But we have not.
Oh.
Yes, sir. All right, can I
Look at that pour.
Look at that.
That is some nice
laminar
flow.
See, we're engineers.
Dude, it's not even moving. Solid oil.
Why does it smell like transmission fluid? Oh, fuck.
Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Fuck.
No, it's training now. It's going down.
Okay, slight clog, but
That was close.
I was very nervous that we were gonna overflow.
That was right on the brim, dude.
Woo! So what we'll do now, we'll let that continue to drip. Okay, so this is, if you've never done, I'm sure most of you know this, but if you've never done an oil change, it is so nice when you have your oil filter on top in the edge instead of underneath, because when it's underneath and you let it go, there's a bunch of oil sitting in it. On the top, you just can unscrew it and there's no oil because of the gravity. So,
And for the guys at the shop that ultra crank on the oil filters, it's way easier to take it off the top than it is on the bottom when you have no leverage underneath the car.
Yep.
So we're in good standing right now. I mean, that looks clean. Everything looks nice. Color looks nice. No major concerns, obviously.
So yeah. Again, sorry if you already know this. This is like a beginner thing, but when you're doing oil change, make sure you get some oil and put it on this rubber grommet. Lube it up a little bit. Just lube
Just a little
her
scoop,
up.
scoop, scoop.
Okay, and then we'll throw this one back on again. Just do hand tight. You do not need to crank it. This is not pressurized, so good to go. Well, I think there is slight pressure, but you're good with just doing hand tight.
Probably a little bit.
Give it a smack, dude. Go ahead, give it a smack.
A little good old.
Yeah, just make sure it's in.
Yep.
When you're changing your oil, I know it seems like a trivial part, but make sure you get yourself a nice little crush washer so you don't have an oil leak. If we look right here, my fiance did not get a new crush washer when she went to Walmart to get her oil changed, and it leaked everywhere. So,
Is the moral of the story, don't go to Walmart then for your oil change?
yes.
All right, guys, moral of the story right there.
Again, I went to the, I actually got all this from the Subaru dealer, shout out Subaru, because I've been working with Subaru and Toyota to try to get some parts and bolts and stuff that I may or may not have sheared. And I found that Subaru has a lot better customer service. So whenever I need parts, I just tell them I have a BRZ and I get the parts from them.
Same thing, boys. Same thing.
We're gonna put the oil in now.
That's some good looking oil, though.
Yeah, that's a good looking oil right there, boys.
Yummy, yummy. Give it a little.
So this should take this whole thing no issues.
What do you mean by that?
Dude, that is a lot of oil. Got to keep your engine lubed up. All those moving parts and friction.
Yep. Just the secret to...
Nothing there on that one.
I can't tell you or else it wouldn't be a secret anymore.
There is no, yeah, you guys don't need to know the secret.
It's a secret, that's the whole thing.
Only Evan knows. This one might have a turbo one day.
Okay, I just did like half of this, and yes, that's the plan. So you better like and subscribe and comment and share and all that so we can...
Listen, guys.
We don't have money to put turbo on
yes.
my daily driver, so if you want to see that,
listen, if you're
share it
ever
with everybody.
questioning, like, oh, will I be able to do a turbo kit? I'm scared to fuck up my car. Well, if you subscribe to our channel and give us money through that, then we will fuck up our cars for you
Yes.
and let you know how it goes.
So
How we looking?
I think we're gonna look a little overfilled at this current moment. Yeah, a little over the max.
Can't zoom in.
You can barely even see it. But I'm gonna turn the car on for a second.
Let her run. You
Actually-
got everything plugged up?
Huh?
You got everything plugged up
Everything's
officially?
plugged up. Oil install. The oil is installed.
Oil installation.